Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a cabin filter in the Accord. Springtime, so time to get that done. I picked up an OEM filter. I actually got it on eBay for about $18 shipped. I'll put the link in the description for you. This is the part number you'll be needing, and then I'm going to show you basically how to change out the old one, put the new one in. Very simple procedure. This is gonna be a short video, but first and foremost, make sure when you start, empty out your glove box, otherwise everything will be falling out of it. So take everything out. That's the most important thing. Then I'm going to show you the steps on how to get this thing out. So now that your glove box is open, there's a latch here. You look at your door, there's a little latch. You're going to lift up the glove box a little bit, like so. And then you're going to, there's like a thumb area, and just push this back. Get my hand there. Then you're gonna detach this right here. Now this will allow this whole thing to completely drop down so that you can get to your filter. There's also a tab in here. See if you can see that. Let me see if I can get a light in there for you. There's a tab right there. I don't know if it's kind of hard to see, but it's there. Right there, you're gonna be pushing that inward. So you're gonna be pushing this plastic in this way to release it. And there's another one on the other side as well. I don't know if I could show you, but it's there, right there. So basically you're gonna be pushing this side in as well. So let me mount the camera so I can show you how that looks. So now, like I said, all you're going to be doing is pushing in this side and this side, like so. And then as you can see, these are the pieces that you're trying to press in from up in here. And that drops your glove box basically down to the floor. That's why I told you to take all the stuff out of your glove box. It's just going to all fall out. So now your cabin filter is just in here. There is one little tab. You can see that dot right there. You're going to push that tab that direction. And the same goes for the tab here. So all we got to do is push this in and pull. Same thing for this side. Push in and pull. And you got to pull a little bracket out, a little cover. And your filter's exposed. I'm just going to pop it out. Kind of hard to do with one hand and holding a camera, but I'll do my best. There we go. Let's see how bad it is. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I haven't changed it since I bought the car, actually, so I'm way overdue. This thing is disgusting. Really, really bad. Compare that one to the stock one. Yeah, I think it's about time. So I'm going to show you guys how to install the new one. Very simple. Let me just take it out of the bag. Before I throw this in, I just want to show you guys what's in this thing. Let's see, shake some of it out. There's everything in here. It's almost a bird's nest. That's crazy. Especially in the top edges. Alright, let's get this in. Alright, this filter's ready to go in. Make sure to note the direction of the airflow. It's got to be going downward. So when you slide into here, basically just push it straight in. Once you get it lined up, airflow is going down. Then you're going to grab your cover, which actually tells you which way the airflow goes. And you're just going to snap it back in. Like so. Make sure they click in properly. Yep, that one's locked. And that's it. Once those are clicked in, the job is complete. That's it. You're gonna push these back up in there. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. So once again, you're just gonna squeeze in to create that space. That's it. Actually, one more. Once these two are in, I'm going to show you how to do this side piece right here. You can't forget this guy. So same process. You're gonna lift up ever so slightly. You're gonna find the little notch it goes in, and you're gonna click it in. Now that's locked back in. So that's basically it. That's the whole installation for the air filter, or the cabin filter rather. This is the part number you will need. I'll put all this information in the description as well. So guys, remember to like the video. Hope you found it helpful, and more stuff coming soon. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.